you buy these?
Oh, I didn't buy them. They were my dad's. He kept postcards of all the places he wanted to take us someday. The whole family.
Yee, they're all of the places we've been.
What? No, wait, what? How is this possible?
That can't be.
We've been to all of these. All but one.
Yes, Captain
The place that my dad wanted me to see the most. This is incredible.